Are you looking for the best pizza stones in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pizza stones that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lodge P14P3 Pro Logic Cast Iron Pizza Pan. Cast iron is one of the best materials for cooking pizza, better than steel and arguably better than a pizza stone. That's a debate that could rage for all time. You can cook pretty good deep dish pizza in a traditional cast iron skillet, but for true crispy pizza crust you need thinner sides, which this stone provides in spades. The convenient handles and slight lip make this great for cooking thin crust or normal crust pizza, and provide a convenient way to remove it from the oven that most pizza stones lack. The size is excellent, 14 inches 16 inches by 15 inches by 2.5 inches is the perfect size for restaurant-style pizza and provides enough food for a group. It comes pre-seasoned out of the factory, which is excellent, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Keep in mind that cast iron has special care instructions when purchasing. It is generally ill-advised to wash with soap, a very light scrub with water to remove particles, and then baking the pan for a short time is enough to sterilize it. Unlike a regular pizza stone, this is resistant to thermal shocking, cracking or breaking due to change in temperature, and it's all available at quite a reasonable price. Moving on, at number 4. We have the Emile Henry made in France flame top pizza stone. While it can be used in any normal oven, this pizza stone specialty is being used on grills, and it works on any kind: propane, natural gas, charcoal, or wood. The glazed surface is a bit of a mixed bag, as is to be expected. On the one hand, it hardens the surface and makes it scratch resistant. This means you can cut your pizza right on the pizza stone without worrying about damaging it with this one. It also makes the surface non-stick and far easier to clean than the more traditional porous pizza stone. However, that convenience comes with a loss of performance, even with the micro-cracking introduced by the manufacturer, which certainly helps. The moisture-sucking power of this pizza stone is far worse than a non-glazed stone. This means it will be more likely to leave a pizza soggy without careful attention. The pizza stone is nice enough to provide handholds, which is a rare and welcome touch. Pizza stones are often a bit of a pain to remove from an oven. Overall, though, this is an excellent pizza stone for the price if you keep an eye on mitigating its drawbacks. It's especially good if you're looking for grilled pizza, which can be absolutely divine with its unique smoky flavor. At number 3, we have the Rocksheat pizza stone baking and grilling. This one has a really unique design that I like. It's made to be double-faced, with built-in grooves that act as handles on both sides. It's easy to remove from the oven, which is a godsend for these sorts of pizza stones. While coming in at a good size, it retains a relatively lightweight quality, weighing in at 9.1 pounds, without skimping on the thickness. 0.67 inches is thicker than average, and perfectly good for this kind of pizza stone. The stone itself is made of excellent materials, being a very thermally stable, resistant to thermal shock, corderite stone that heats up fairly quickly and retains that heat for a good length of time. The stone is guaranteed to last at least several years and works on any cooking surface you'd care to throw it on. It's safe for up to 1400 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's perfect for both oven-cooked pizzas, grills, and even wood-fire brick ovens, which can achieve temperature over 1000 degrees for quickly cooking crisp, delicious pizza. It's easy to store and comes pre-seasoned as well, so should not be directly greased, and comes in at a very good price. An excellent buy. At number 2, we have the NerdChef Steel Stone High Performance Baking Surface. This pizza steel is quite good at what it does, baking simple pizzas with a maximum of bubbling of the crust. It conducts a lot of heat, about 20 times as much as a ceramic or corderite pizza stone, meaning it puts the heat straight into your pizza, cooking it lightning fast. You'll get a very nice blackening on the bottom and edges of your crust. However, this increase in conductivity does make it lose a bit of consistency. While pizza steels cook pizza fast, they have a hard time cooking heavier pizzas thoroughly, which often leaves pizzas loaded with sauce and toppings, or just with a thicker than usual crust, soggy or undercooked without vastly increasing the cooking time. This pizza steel is a ½ inch thick, exacerbating that issue. However, a ½ inch thick sheet of steel shouldn't be counted out in the durability department for sure. This pizza steel is sure to outlast any traditional pizza stone, which is prone to cracking or shattering after prolonged use. The price is fair for a pizza steel of this type, and it is quite good so long as you know what you're buying. This pizza steel is excellent for a wide variety of baked goods, among them biscuits and cookies, and excels at making California-style pizzas, minimalist affairs with small numbers of toppings and a minimal amount of sauce and cheese. For what you're paying, it is a great deal for someone who wants a pizza steel around just for that purpose. And finally, at number 1. We have the Wilton Perfect Results Non-Stick Pizza Crisper Pan. This is an absolutely minimalist pizza pan, with a price to match. It is incredibly cheap and serves as an easy-to-use almost disposable pan for any average-sized pizza, having a 14-inch diameter, good for most homemade and frozen pizzas. The surface is non-stick, a coating over its steel construction, with holes for ventilation. It has some simple grips on the edges to make it easy to remove, and is safe for use in any oven up to most temperatures. It will never outperform a true pizza stone or a cast iron skillet, but it's serviceable for what it is, and the asking price, about a quarter what our winner costs, reflects its performance. It even has a 10-year warranty, which is nice, but to be frank, I don't know I'd ever go through the hassle of sending in for a replacement pizza pan and dealing with customer service rather than just going out and buying another at the local department store for the same cost, so it's largely a ceremonial gesture. I don't particularly recommend this pizza pan for pretty much anybody simply because it's so generic. It's a good example of what it is, but you can find 20 more identical variants from different brands on a shelf anywhere you care to look. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.